I believe that by this time, you must have known my ambition in life. Oh yeah. They say by their seats, we shall know them. And I believe again that I have been so intentional. I have not hidden my mission, which is to continually promote the Igbo success, the Igbo love, the Igbo unity. And that passion bettered the Unify Igbos Now movement. I am thankful, and I know that by now, these facts must have been established in you. My mantra also goes Igbo first, Igbo first, and Igbo first. How could that be a crime? Why is that a crime to you? The unification of Ndi Igbo will bring forth a lot of progress, love, development, and what have you. And I am intentional about the development of Ali Igbo, everywhere that is Ali Igbo. I know that by now you must be aware that I am Igbo-centric. The social media has really given a lot of opportunities to a lot of people who never for once thought that they will be followed, have that kind of crazy, acceptance, have some enormous followership. Wherever they drop, it makes sense. Everybody's an influencer, influencing one thing or the other. But the content of what you are influencing should be called to question. We must always thank God for social media and thank the inventors. We have social media now that we can promote, sell anything that we so desire. But what are you selling? It should be called to question. Does your platform, does it promote or demote? That is a question that you must answer. Does what you are promoting, will it benefit the next generation? That is a question that should be asked and answers, received. For me, I have chosen to market the Igbo land and with the right and positive impacts of Igbo land. I can't place Igbo land for it to be demarketed. I am going Igbo first because I know, I have realized the potentials of the Igbo land. It is unquestionable. We are a people who have endured a lot of, sponsored propagandas against, people trying to believe the wrong things about what was said against the Igbo man. Because the masters of these manipulations, the people that are sponsoring this wrong narrative, these propagandas, these evil propagandas, they know who and what they are up against. That is the Igbo spirit. What are you marketing? What are you promoting? Promote Igbo. Stop depromoting Igbo. Stop demarketing Igbo. Because this is one Igbo that we have. I watched a video some time ago, some few days ago, from the Indians. They came out to make a video against some, Nigerians can joke a lot, but they don't know there are people who does not joke about their nationality. If you can't tell the truth or the right thing about their nationality, their ethnicity or anything, or their country, you better don't say anything. So these Indians came out in mass. There's this food blogger, that's a food vlogger, that was condemning the actions of some Nigerian comedians where they were trying to depict Indian street food as dirty and as unkept. They were washing, rubbing on their armpits just for laughs, for views, and for followership. But the Indians did not see it that way. What they saw is, you are demarketing my country, you are demarketing my people. This was not how it happened. And they came out boldly to speak against such bloggers. And since then, those kind of videos have stopped flying on the internet base. And Mark Zuckerberg, I believe, have been restricting such joke of a video. But come down home. If it is about Igbo, somebody will come and make some nasty videos against the Igbo people, and to my dismay, my own people will accept such and be laughing. Everybody will be laughing. Nobody cares again. They will be laughing against themselves. This is wrong and totally unacceptable. Why would that be? Why would that be encouraged in the first place? If you talk against the Igbo, we Igbo should come and condemn such. Don't portray the Igbo land in a bad light. Don't do that. I am sounding this as a warning to all those people who are there trying to get views and clicks. It is wrong. The Igbo in us must speak in affirmative to what is positive, to what is right. And that is why I am leading the campaign, Unify Igbos Now. And I'm calling on every other proponent. Join us. Join us in solidarity. Join us as we continue to campaign for the unification of Igbo, no matter where they are. The people that speaks in one language. Be it that you're speaking this language in a Ukwane dialect. Be it that you're speaking this language in Ikwere dialect. Be it that you're speaking this language in Ungwa dialect. Be it that you're speaking this language in Oweri, Oka, Izi, Mbo, Nsoka. The Enuani, the Asaba, Ahaba dialects. It is one language. We must begin to accept these realities and change the wrong narrative. Join me. It is the Unify Igbos Now. I will never steer you wrong. Thank you, and God bless.